Ever wonder why we even have a government? Is it just about taxes and rules? Or is there more to it? Let's break it down. Think of the US government as the system that organizes society, making decisions, creating rules, and helping people work and live together peacefully. One of the government's main jobs is to establish justice through laws. These laws set the rules for how we behave, like stopping at stop signs or paying taxes. Laws help solve conflicts fairly, so everyone knows what's allowed and what's not. But just having laws isn't enough. It's also important that everyone follows them. This brings us to the rule of law, the idea that no one is above the law, not even the president. In democracies like the US, leaders must obey the same rules as everyone else, which helps protect people's rights and keeps the system fair. On the contrary, authoritarian systems rulers often break the rules because no one can stop them. Another big purpose of the government is to maintain order and keep us safe. This means preventing crime, helping during emergencies like fires or storms, and making sure communities run smoothly. In democracies, the government tries to balance safety with freedoms, like the right to protest peacefully. Whether it's threats from other countries or attacks in cyberspace, our government works to keep us safe. It builds defenses, gathers information, and prepares to protect citizens from dangers that come from beyond our borders. The US government also works to make life better for everyone. That means providing things people need, like good schools, hospitals, clean water, and programs that help people find jobs or get support when they need it. It's all about helping the whole community stay healthy, educated, and supported. Even if you don't always see it, the government is part of your daily life, from the bus that takes you to school to the clean water you drink to the parks where you play. It helps keep things running and makes choices that can affect our everyday lives. Learning how our government works gives you the power to make a difference, to speak up, vote, and change the world. The more you know, the more prepared you'll be to make decisions, stand up for what matters, and take part in shaping your community. Let's recap. The four big purposes of the government are making laws, keeping order and security, protecting from outside threats, and helping people live better lives. In a democracy, all of this works best when you're involved. So stay curious, stay informed, and use your voice. Ready to quiz yourself with the content covered in this video? Check out the link in the description where you'll find Quizlet content made just for you.